G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo Warmjigger, another ripper of an episode. Today we're just going to talk over charging for quotes. I can't tell you how many people complain about being charged for quotes. As a builder, I have spent 25 odd years on my profession learning the tricks of the trade, what things cost, the structures we work on, and all the associated resources that get put into doing a build. I charge for a quote, and a lot of people I know nowadays, a lot of tradespeople I know nowadays are also charging for quotes. And I think it is a necessity to understand why we do it. Charging for a quote isn't ripping people off. Charging for a quote is educating people on how much something is going to cost. One of the biggest mistakes that the consumer goes for is they go for the cheapest free quote. Now, let me explain something to you. I spoke to a lady the other day. She said to me, "You're charging me $400 for a quote?" I said, "Yes, I am, but I'm not going to give you a quote so I can compare it, so you can go and compare it with every other Tom, Dick and Harry out there. I'm giving you a quote so you can compare what we're going to include in your build." The most important thing for me to do as a builder is educate you as the consumer on the best way to go about doing your build. And I will charge for that, as it takes me a very long time to understand what goes into doing your build. Every different build is different, and every different area is different. And if you have details or you want to do things to your home, I need to understand the best way to go about creating your dream for you. So if you think that I can do that for free and approximately give or take anything from 16 to 40 hours per quote, you have to understand that for a time is not free. That 16 to 40 hours I could be spending on the job site doing work, or I could be hanging out with my own children and getting a lot more value out of my own life by doing something that I really enjoy. So next time a builder says to you, "I'm going to charge you for my quote," don't think to yourself, "He's trying to rip me off." Think to yourself, "Okay, fair deal. What kind of information are you going to be able to give me for that?" If you've got any questions or queries about any of that kind of stuff, flick it over to me. Every different builder charges a different amount. It depends on the amount of details you want and what kind of build you're after. I said before I charge $400, but that can go right up to $2,500, if not more, depending on the amount of detail that people want in their build. Broken down costs, all of that all that jazz. So think about it, work it, and understand it. Thanks for watching. Questions or queries, flick them over and I'll answer them for you best I can, whenever I can. Like always, stay unreal banana peels. I'll see you in the soup.